Today I am going to unbox a 18-watt charger adapter which is compatible with Asus Zenfone 2 models and Gen Power model. It cost me around 800 rupees. It is about 12 US dollar. Let's unbox it. As you can see, it contains an adapter, a connector, micro USB cable. So now take adapter and its connector and put it like that. It will get locked with it. Now it is ready for use. It is really a good charger. It charged my phone within 1.5 hours. Its charging can be also depend on battery and its temperature.